In this video, I'll walk you through my experience using BudgetMind, a personal finance app designed to help users gain control over their financial life. Right from the start, the clean and modern interface of BudgetMind stands out, with an intuitive layout that makes navigation effortless even for first-time users. Upon logging in, you're greeted with a customizable dashboard that provides an at-a-glance view of your financial health, including current balances, upcoming bills, and recent transactions. One of the core strengths of BudgetMind is its budgeting functionality. You can create detailed budgets for different spending categories, such as groceries, entertainment, or savings. The app provides insightful recommendations based on your income and spending history, which can be particularly helpful for those new to budgeting. Adjusting these budgets is simple, allowing for flexibility as your financial situation changes. The transaction tracking feature is seamless, thanks to its ability to sync with multiple bank accounts and credit cards. BudgetMind automatically categorizes your expenses, but if something's misplaced, you can manually reassign categories with just a few taps. The app also provides in-depth analytics, showing you trends in your spending over weeks or months. This allows you to pinpoint problem areas and make data-driven decisions to improve your financial habits. Another standout feature is the goal-setting tool. Whether you're saving for a vacation, a new car, or just building an emergency fund, BudgetMind helps you set clear savings goals and tracks your progress. It even sends you motivational reminders to keep you on track, ensuring your financial objectives stay front and center. Security is a top priority for BudgetMind. The app uses bank-level encryption and two-factor authentication to protect your sensitive information, providing peace of mind while managing your finances. In case of any issues, the customer support team is responsive and knowledgeable, available through both live chat and email. For those looking to learn more about managing their money, BudgetMind offers an educational section with articles, videos, and financial tips tailored to your specific needs. This makes it not just a tool for tracking your finances, but also a resource for improving your overall financial literacy. Overall, BudgetMind strikes a perfect balance between functionality and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to streamline their personal finance management. If you've been searching for a reliable and user-friendly budgeting app, BudgetMind might be exactly what you need. Thanks for watching this review. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and financial tips. See you in the next video.